Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to locate Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on Alarm section at the bottom left corner and click on those three dots at the top right one. Now select Settings and adjust all of them under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you finished, click on the back button and create your alarm by tapping on this plus icon. Set up an hour, tap on OK, and manage all of those options. At the top, you can tap on Add Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and choose OK. Then select Days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Tap on those two icons next to Vibrate and Google Assistant Routine to switch them on or off. And tap on this bell. Over here, you can tap on YouTube Music and log in to your account, or tap on Sounds. By selecting Add New, you will be able to pick music from your smartphone by tapping on the song that you wish to apply. If you don't want to do that, you can always pick one of those sounds by clicking on the best one and going back, like Beep Beep Alarm. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. In order to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to hide all of those settings, click on the top right corner of it. To delete it though, tap on the same corner and select Bin icon at the bottom left one. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!